Okay, in this video, I will show you how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. It's the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So to create your own hashtag on Instagram, you just gotta click the plus sign, select any photo just like this one, click on next, and then you want to write a hashtag with your name or whatever you want to do. For example, Dr. Nikki would be mine. And if I post this photo, what will happen is people can search for this hashtag and find stuff below it. But I already saw that there's people posting the hashtag Dr. Nikki. So yeah, I guess I already have my own hashtags. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.